Yo, what is good, guys? This is Hudson Fam WX here. Welcome to the 7 o'clock p.m. RWT. Today I'm joined with, Central Illinois EAS, Box BWX, XP EAS, and of course myself. Oh, guys, I think we're getting all right. Here we go. Before we get into this, I just want to say make sure you subscribe. I'm sorry, I'm making this here. Here we go. Here we go. Yep. All right, let's get it. Everyone, you requested it. The moment we all been waiting for. Sound him.
And the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area.
All right, and there we go.